Well, in the previous session I have explained how to display map in your Android application. In this session I will show how to add some more features to your map. Okay, so I'll start with markers. See, if you want to show a particular location, okay, so basically we use the markers. Okay, like how to add the marker for map in Android application. Okay, so for that here is the code. First you should have the latitude longitude of a particular location where you have to place the marker. For that I will take some latitude and longitude here. Okay, so like it will be a double variable, double latitude is equal to I will take something like 12.99. okay, and I'll take one more variable that is okay, I'll make it as longitude is equal to something like 77.923. okay, so these are the latitude and longitude of a particular place where I have to place the marker on the map. Okay, now after taking your latitude and longitude, suppose if you have your current location latitude and longitude, then for that also you have to place, you can place the marker. Now after taking latitude longitude here, go to your on create method. This is used to get the map. After that I will take object of a class called as marker options. Okay, so marker options here, so I'll give the name as mo is equal to new marker options. Okay, now this is the object for your marker. Now for that marker option you can set the position, marker options dot position. Here it is asking for the position. How you will give the position? You have to use the lat and long. Okay, so use lat and long here. Latitude already we have declared a variable latitude, and for longitude I'll make it as lng. okay, then end the statement. Now after giving your latitude longitude, suppose whenever user touches that particular marker, if you want to show some information, okay, or if you want to show the location, that particular address of that particular location, then for that you can add your marker options dot title. Okay, whatever the title you want to add here, you can add it. Okay, just I'll put okay, hi, welcome to marker world. Okay, anything, any address or any information you can put it here. Okay, so this is how you can put the marker, or you can design the marker actually. So now if you want to show the marker, then use your map. Here is your map. Okay, map dot, you have to add the marker. Okay, so our marker is mo. So this particular code will display a marker with this particular, on this particular latitude and longitude, with the message or with the title, I welcome to marker world. Okay, so this is how you can display the marker on your map in Android application. Okay, so next, suppose I don't want, see, by default your marker color will be red. So if you want to change the marker color, then what is the option for that? Okay, so for that, here you have to add your marker option dot. Okay, you have to set the icon. So it is asking for icon, which icon it has to use. So for that, Android provides some predefined icons. So bitmap factory, sorry, bitmap descriptor factory. Here it is, bitmap descriptor factory. Okay, dot default marker. Okay, so inside that you have to mention which marker it is. Okay, it will be bitmap descriptor dot it is descriptor factory dot. Here you have different markers or markers with different colors. You can select anyone. Okay, so I will select the green and the statement. So this is how you can change the color for a marker. Now no, I don't want to use predefined marker. So instead of that, I have my own icon, so I want to use that icon as a marker. So it is called as custom marker. So how to do that? So I will comment the statement. So instead of this, what we can do is use your marker options dot icon. Okay, so inside that, the same code you have to write, bitmap descriptor factory, and instead of using default marker, here you can select something like from here you have different resource locations. You can get the icon from the asset, if not from bitmap, from file, from particular path, or from resource. Okay, so now suppose if we have the icon inside the resource, it means inside your drawables. Okay, so at that time you can go with the drawable. Okay, what will be the ID for this? It will be r dot drawable dot, as of now okay, I will use IC launcher. Okay, so this will be our marker. Like this also you can use the marker. It is called as custom marker. Okay, so now these are the things related to your marker. Now suppose I want to bring my camera to a particular location. It means see, I have some latitude and longitude, and it has to the map has to focus. If not, it has to bring that particular location to the center. Okay, to do that, what I have to do for that, just you have to write a piece of code, like after this. Okay, I will write the code here. So you have a class called as camera position. Here it is, camera position. I'll give the name as object name as CP is equal to new camera position. Okay, you can look into the variables or the parameters which it accepts. Okay, okay, I will just take this one, new camera position. Okay, I will try to build the position dot builder dot target. Okay, and the location will be the target. So how to give the location? Use your lat long. Okay, you can give the latitude and longitude here. Okay, then if you want to zoom at that particular location, so for that it provides the zoom option also. Zoom, you have to provide the integer value here. Okay, zoom, then you have to build this. Okay, so this is how you can focus this particular location, or you can bring this location to the middle or the center with this particular zoom level. Okay, now after creating your camera position, you have to animate your map to this particular position. So how to do that? Take your map dot animate. Okay, animate camera. Here we will take camera update. Okay, camera update factory we will use. Okay, and I will take new camera position. So what is our camera position? It is CP. End the statement. Okay, so it will bring this particular location to the center of your map. If not, it will navigate, your map will navigate to this particular location. Okay, now if you want to see in maps we have different types. Okay, like we have the satellite map, terrain map, hybrid, normal. Okay, like you can find, if you want to if you want to search for a particular address, then you will go with the route map. Okay, like this there are different types of maps. Now if you want to use those maps in your Android application, so what you have to do? Okay, for that also you have the option. So if you want to change the map type, then how to do that? So use your map dot set map type. Okay, it is asking for the type, so the type will be Google Map dot. Here you can find different types: map type, hybrid, type none, normal, satellite, terrain, etc. Okay, I'll go with the satellite. You can end the statement here. Okay, so this is how you can change the map type. Now if you want to show the current location, okay, see I don't want to give latitude, longitude. I don't want to pass the latitude, longitude. Without that, the map itself, it has to show the current location. So for that, how to do that? If not, how to show a current location on a map? So that's what the purpose of our application. Where am I? So I will show how to go to your current location, or how to navigate to your current location on a map. For that, you have to write a piece of code, that is map dot set my location enabled. Set my location enabled, you have to make it as a true. Okay, so here when you open the map, it will take you to the current location. Okay, so now after this, if you want to add the zoom levels, if not suppose if you find any zoom buttons on your screen, if you want to disable those zoom buttons, so how to do that? Okay, for that you have an option like take the map, okay, and get the UI settings, get UI settings, then set zoom control enabled. Okay, you see here for zoom you have two types. Okay, it will display a button like zoom in, zoom out buttons. Okay, like it looks like plus and minus. If not, you can use the gestures, means using your fingers you can zoom in or zoom out the map. Okay, you can use any one of this. If not, you can use both also. Okay, so I will select zoom controls. Okay, you can enable that. If not, you can disable also. Okay, so I will disable that. Okay, like this you can use the zoom options in map. Now suppose if you want to display the compass functionality on your map, how to do that? You know the compass, I think why we use the compass. Okay, so if you want to use that compass facility in your map, so for that you have to write the code, that is use your map dot get the UI settings. Okay, dot set compass enabled. Okay, here you can enable it. If not, you can disable it. So I will disable it. Okay, this is how you can use the compass facility in your Android map. Now after that, if you want to navigate to your current location by clicking on a button, for that also in maps it provides a button by clicking on which you can navigate to your current location. There is a facility like you can show that button to the user. If not, you can hide it. Okay, or you can make it as inactive. Okay, but there is an option you can use that button. So how to use that button? For that you have option called as map dot get settings. Okay, get UI settings dot set my location button enabled. Okay, you can enable it. You can make it as false if you wish. Okay, using this button you can navigate to your current location. Okay, I will make it as, I made it as a false, so it won't work now. Okay, now if you want to rotate a map, okay, so how to give an option to rotate a map, how to enable the map rotation. Okay, so for that you have an option called as map dot get your UI settings dot set rotate gestures enabled. You can enable it or you can disable it. Okay, I'll make it as false. Okay, it's your wish. You can make all these functionalities true, so that all these functionalities will work on your map. Okay, so this is about map in Android application. Still there are a lot more things to learn in this maps. Okay, there is chances to display the route on a map. Okay, and there are chances of displaying multiple markers on a map. Okay, and whenever user clicks on a map, if you want to show a particular like information about that particular location. Okay, if not, if you want to convert latitude and longitude of that particular location to the address, and if you want to show it to the user. Okay, so all those functionalities are there in map. Okay, so please work on these features. Okay, practice it, and okay, if you have any queries, you can post your comments on our student forum. Okay, so thanks for watching.